Now, the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Ethan Houston.
A quiet start to the afternoon out there across the Susquehanna Valley. We have sunshine, but it's a milky skies. We've got some of those high-level clouds streaming back in across the valley. That's usually a sign of change. Be prepared for showers and thunderstorms to return later tonight. Right now in Lebanon, we are at 73 degrees. Feels fantastic out there with the dew point of just 50 degrees. All is quiet locally on the radar, but this is what's coming down the pipeline. You can see we've got showers and thunderstorms back off to our west. That's our next storm system that will get here roughly around, I'd say, just after sunset, as some scattered showers, but we're talking periods of rain and possibly some stronger thunderstorms late tonight. So for the rest of the day today, mostly sunny skies, pleasant out there with temperatures topping off in the low to mid 80s. It's after midnight. On and off rain is likely, and that rainfall could be heavy at times, and we could see isolated strong thunderstorms that will be sticky with temperatures in the low to mid 60s. And then as we head through tomorrow, our weather will improve. That storm system will move away. In its wake, we have some upper level energy that will stir up the air, may generate an isolated thunder shower after lunchtime. Again, highs up near 80 degrees. So here's a breakdown of the rain chances. They will be highest late overnight tonight. Should start to see the rain move out after dawn. Should be dry by the time we head towards lunchtime. Overall, the flood threat is low, but closer towards Wilmington and Philadelphia, a slightly higher threat for some heavier rain. That's also the case down towards Baltimore. I think this incoming rain, the ground should be able to handle most of it. Some small creeks and streams may be bank full later tonight. We are about 0.6 of an inch below average for the month and also for meteorological summer. Right now it's 78 in Effort and Lancaster County, 76 if you're watching us in York. Temperatures a little cooler up along the Great Lakes. So there's our next storm system. We won't stay dry for long. The following storm system that's now starting to approach the Pacific coast, that gets here Friday night into Saturday as another round possibly of some soaking rain. So watch what happens here on the predictor. Let's take you hour by hour. Notice by 8 o'clock we start to see some showers approach the state line, and then after sunset onto the overnight hours, the warm front starts to lift over the region. Periods of rain. That rainfall could be heavy, could see an isolated strong thunderstorm, but by the rush hour tomorrow, I think all that's lifting off to our north and northeast. Front moves on by, will dry out. Just looking for an isolated thunder shower as we head through Thursday. Dry weather will be around into Friday morning. Rain chances will start to rise again late Friday night into Saturday. Looks like the weekend is going to be unsettled. Saturday's the wetter day and the cooler day with highs in the mid 70s. We start drying out through the day on Sunday, and then it looks like we're back to near average with highs in the lower 80s early parts of next week.